I'm Michael Ivaldi from the Clinton River Watershed Council, and we're here today at one of our Weekly Clean events at the Harper Fishing Pier in Clinton Township. Weekly Clean is a weekly program that we host every Wednesday from 10 a.m. to noon at a different location in the watershed. And by cleaning up garbage out here on the Clinton River Spillway, we're preventing the accumulation of garbage in Lake St. Clair and eventually in our Great Lakes.
We have weekly cleans that we host almost year-round. They happen every Wednesday from 10 until 12 p.m. at different sites throughout the watershed. And today we happen to be at this lovely site on the spillway.
Actually, the water levels are quite high, correct?
Yeah, they are. We've had a lot of rain recently.
A lot of rain,
so
and that
really
brings
high.
in a lot of debris, right? And this creates a great opportunity for volunteers to come out and help clean up. And we're going to be getting in the water today, and there's some canoes that are being brought in, and people are actually going to get in the water and clean up right across the watershed or along the watershed, the shore, and also out in this area here. So Katie, that's kind of how it works pretty much on a weekly basis in other areas that you guys do cleanups, correct?
Yep. We have some great volunteers that show up every week and sometimes some new faces. We give them grabbers and trash bags and we send them out on their way, and we're lucky enough that they clean up along the riverbank. We've had some great success with it.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about the spillway along here. Sure. How did this come into being?
Okay, so the spillway, although it looks natural, this is actually a man-made channel. So it was made in 1950 by the Army Corps of Engineers to help alleviate flooding in the area. And just recently it's undergone a restoration project. So the goal was to try and make this behave more like a natural river corridor than just a dredged out canal. So you can see you have some woody debris and some off channels for habitat, and then we also have some native plants along the shoreline here for stabilization and also for habitat.
And there's an event coming up July 22nd. Tell us about that and about how the viewers can get involved with this, and just even getting involved on a weekly basis with the cleanups is you guys are highly needed and wanted to come out and help, so we hope you'll do that. But there's a special event coming up on July 22nd. Tell us about that, Katie.
Okay, so this event's going to be pretty exciting. It's a guided kayak tour of the restoration project. We have 20 kayaks available for free for the first people that register, but also if you have your own boat, you're more than welcome to bring that here and join in the guided tour. So you'll have Eric Deasing, our watershed ecologist, will be hosting that, and he'll take people up and down the spillway here and describe to them what actions were taken to help restore this area. And then finally, if you'd like to get involved with the Watershed Council as a volunteer for cleanups, you can go to crwc.org/events, and you can find out all the great opportunities that we have available.